Hello and welcome to the final 3D rigging systems video, and in this video I'm going to quickly cover a small change I made to the vehicle rig, and that was including now a graphical user interface into the rig just for ease of access and generally just to add a little bit more to it. So what I've done, similar to the character, is built through using the curve tools, just a basic user interface that allows you to control some of the aspects of the car from just this, moving some of these curves here. So the first one is I built a steering wheel, and instead of moving the controller at the front, we can now just rotate and key this controller, and that will move all the wheels and that, and it will also, if I open the door, because we've got an expression tied with the controller here to the steering wheel, it will also move the steering wheel inside, which is a nice little feature. So that's the steering wheel controller, and that's what it does. You can just steer it left to right and it will move the wheels and the steering wheel. That's neat. And to set that up, all I did was, again, in the expression editor, apply the rotation of the controller to the rotation of this, and because there's an expression on this wheel, I find it will like subsequently link them all together, and they all affect one another in a chain, which is nice. So the next two features are, I've just already used this one, but it's just a slider to open the doors, and instead of rotating this controller, which I had before, which kind of doesn't make too much sense, we now just pull this slider up or down, and this arrow indicates the rotation of the door, which makes a bit more sense to the animator. And the same for the left door, and the same for the back door. And the last little interface thing I have is the switch for the windscreen wipers, and all this does is keyed to this attribute on both windscreen wiper controller, and what it'll do when you pull that to the side, it sets that to 1, and when that's set to 1 in the expression, I have it to animate the windscreen wipers. So if you want to turn that off, you just slide it off, and now they no longer animate. So yeah, that's the GUI interface. It's also movable. You can move wherever you want and feel comfortable. Just left it on the top there to sort of represent left, right, back, steering. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all the videos I've made, and thank you for watching.